Hello, I'm Kristen with the Rogers Public Library, and this week for Catch 'em All at the library, we will be focusing on Pikachu. So in your craft packet, you're going to have a strip of yellow construction paper, as well as a sheet of cardstock with some pieces drawn on, and they will be blank, so you'll need to color them in. As you can see, I've already colored mine. So our first thing is going to be color our pieces like Pikachu, and then we'll cut these out, and then I'll show you how to put it all together. So once everything is colored and cut out, we're going to start with our long piece of yellow construction paper. And we're just going to put a bunch of glue over about a third of it, and then we're going to roll it up to make a little tube body. And we'll just press down the overlapping parts so that we have a nice little tube. Then we're going to assemble the face. So let's start with our eyes, although really you can start with any part you would like. I'm gonna put his eyes right above the little cheek curve on either side of the center of the face. Then we'll go ahead and put on the cheeks. And these will of course go in the little cheek curves on either side. So just down and to the outside of each eye, just a little bit. And then we can take our little mouth and put some glue on that and add it there between the cheeks. And you can move it up or down or however you want to, any of the pieces really. And then you can either glue the ears to the front of the face or the back. I'm gonna glue mine to the back. So since I'm gluing to the back, I'm gonna put some glue on the front of the piece, the earpiece, and then stick it on the back. If you were gluing it to the front, you would put glue on the back of the earpiece. So whichever way you want to do it. Now we have a head, and we have our arms and tail, and our body. So next we'll take our head and we're going to glue it right onto the little body. So you can glue it down low, you can make it stick up so it'll be real tall, however you want to. But whatever amount you're going to have it overlapping with the tube, we're going to put glue on that part of the head. And then press it onto the tube. Then we're going to glue the little arms. You can glue them to the front, so they'll look like this, or you can glue them on the side, or you can glue them so that they stick out from the side. So I'm going to do that. So to make them stick out from the side, I'm going to fold a little tab over at the very bottom and put some glue on that tab. And then I can stick it to the side of our tube, and that will make his little arm stick out. So we'll do the same thing with the other arm. Make a little tab, add some glue, and make his little arm stick out. So then lastly, I just need to add the tail, and I'm going to use the same concept that we just used for the arms for the tail. So I'm going to make a little tab at the bottom of the tail, just fold over part of the brown, add some glue, and then I'll stick it to the back of the tube so that the tail can stick out. There is our little tube Pikachu. And that is our final Pokemon craft of the spring program season. So we will be taking a 2-week break at the end of this week, and then we will come back on May 31st from 2 to 4 with our summer reading program kickoff. Yay! And then we'll start our regular Pokemon programming back up the first week of June. So I will see you in 2 weeks to make another Pokemon.